Let us walk you through how to change name on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon, or the three horizontal lines. This will open a new page with several options and shortcuts related to your account and settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy and tap on it, and then choose Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you into the full settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Inside the settings page, locate and tap on Account Center. The Account Center is where Facebook groups together settings for your Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger accounts if they are linked. From here, tap on Profiles and then select the Facebook account whose name you want to change. Once you're inside your profile settings, tap on the name option. You'll now be able to enter a new first name, middle name, or last name. After typing in your new details, tap on Review Change. Facebook will show you a preview of how your name will look once updated. If everything looks correct, tap Save Changes to confirm. It's important to note that Facebook only allows you to change your name once every 60 days, so be sure the new name is exactly how you want it before saving.